Gage Blabag rope and raising hold of Bubbly, looking for the leader. Tiger's Queen up on the outside, second Rain Me In Lacrosse Divine, while Native Bland is running in a tail of the field, passing the winning post, hold the Bubbly, just in front, followed by Tiger's Queen. Alang Kanihap to Divine, running by with his Lacrosse, then followed over by Rain Me In and Native Bland. Out straight they travel, hold the Bubbly, Tiger's Queen from the outside second, and 2 lengths back to Divine. Lacrosse is running by the wheel fourth, and running in fifth batter, 2 lengths, Rain Me In and Native Bland. Down the half mile they travel, Tiger's Queen takes up the running balang, followed by hold the Bubbly. Divine coming close enough in third, Rain Me In, Lacrosse and Native Bland. Inside the last 600, Tiger's Queen by some 2.5, followed by Divine. Hold the Bubbly, Rain Me In, Lacrosse and Native Bland inside the last 400. Tiger's Queen still in front. Here comes Divine coming close on the outside as they hit the final turn. Tiger's Queen still in front, Balang followed by Divine. It's still Tiger's Queen leading Balang, Divine on the outside. Tiger's Queen and Divine on the outside, but still Tiger's Queen, Divine. It's still Tiger's Queen, Divine, and final is Tiger's Queen. Divine, Rain Me In, Native Bland, Lacrosse, and Hold the Bubbly.
Tinag-uusapan lang natin, Coach, kanina. Binabanggit ko na.
Yes.
Tiger's Queen.
Nakita mo yun eh.